Hello students. Today we'll discuss regarding the growth and development or milestone of toddlers. Inside, if you're seeing, we are going to discuss regarding physical or biological growth and development, motor development in the form of gross motor and fine motor. So gross you know already very well, the larger muscle activity, and fine motor you know already very well, it's a fine muscle activities, how it is getting coordinations. The next, sensory development. Over that you'll hear about, you'll see about visual acuity, hearing, then about sense of taste, touch or pain. Then theories, over the theories we are going to see what will be the stages of growth and development of the child, or particular age or particular stages of milestone belongs to according to the theorist, like psychosocial, psychosexual, moral, spiritual and cognitive. Then language we are further divided into two, that is receptive, receiving that, then expressive, receiving the command, and expressive, how they are expressing their action or feeling over the command. The next, play, over the play, how the play was stimulated and what are the safe material to, or say selection of play material. Then issues in parenting, then importance of nurse's role. First we'll move to the physical development. So weight approximately 12.7 kg, that is 4 times of birth weight, and height is 10 to 12.5 centimeter. If you are seeing the toddler, we are dividing the toddler into 3 years. There are three difference over that, from 1 year to 2 years, and from 2 to 3, or from 3 years, or you can write of 1 year, 2 year and 3 year, or write 1 to 2 years and 2 to 3 years. You can able to write the difference. Chest circumference exceeds the head. Head circumference 49 to 50 centimeter. Then pulse 110 plus or minus 20 beats per minute. Respiration 26 plus or minus 2 breaths per minute. Blood pressure 99 by 64 plus or minus 26 by 24. Anterior frontal LA closes by 18 months. So over this, if you are seeing, the respiratory system or the oxygen carrying capacity which is increasing. Okay, so due to that, what happen, the cells will get good delivered amount of, or good matured amount of oxygen which will be delivered. So that is reflected on the functioning capacity of the respiratory system, or maturity of the respiratory system, as well as the cardiovascular system, circulatory system. So which is reflected on their pulse rate, where from 140 it has been come furthermore towards 90 to 110. The next, mainly if you are seeing here the first eruption of temporary teeth, that is 16 to 20 temporary teeth will be present. So like in the formation of 8 to 12 months central incisors over the upper teeth, 8 to 12 months central incisor, 9 to 13 months lateral incisors, 16 to 22 months cup seats, and 13 to 19 months first molar, 25 to 33 months second molar. Then lower teeth, if you are seeing, 23 to 31 months, if you are seeing, the second molar is starting, or you can able to go from the downwards 6 to 10 months central incisor. So totally the central incisor from 6 to 12 months, the upper and lower both will come out. The next, uh, 9 to 16 months, over the 19-16 months, the lateral incisors will come over the upper and lower one. The next, 16 to 23 months, the cup seat will be erupting out. Then 13 to 18 months, the first molar will be, 13 to 19 months, the first molar will be erupting out. The next, uh, 23 to 33 months, the second molar will be erupting out. Moving on to the gross motor skills, over here the toddler can able to stand by self, walks and kneels without support, then creeps the upstairs with 4 legs. Like example, you can able to see, kneeling down and placing the upper extremity over the above steps and the lower extremity on the below one. Then after that creeps over the above steps. Same pattern will be followed. Then that child can able to jump from a particular height. Then toe walking will be more common and they enjoy the toe walking. Then ambulation, always wandering here and there, running here and there, this is more common kind of play stimulation or activity for the toddler, where they are utilizing their main gross motors. Then rides, pedal walkers, then pushes or pulls toys for furnitures. Moving on to the fine motor, toddler 15 months old transfer objects from hand to hand. So hand का coordination शुरू हो गया, hand to hand fine motor movements. Then 2-year old can hold crayons and color vertical strokes. Then turns pages. Toddler build a tower of 6 blocks using their eye and hand coordination. Then toddler self care can able to hold the spoon but fails to manage or feels oftenly. Then uh, can't able to identify front and back of the dress. Then tries to pull or put their socks and succeed at the age of 3 years. Toileting and grooming. So here this is the main task. The toilet training is one of the main tasks for the child as well as the grooming. So always the child will be a good follower of the parents. So always they are a good imitator. So how the parents are teaching over that, which reflects the child's toileting and grooming. So safety becomes a problem as the toddler become more mobile. So here the toddler has to be under the supervision. Then sensory development identifies shapes. Then visual acuity 20/30 recalls images. Like example, over the sensor, if you are seeing, they can recall the images. Daily show, daily the toddler was seeing a crow. Okay, all of a sudden one day the toddler is seeing a pigeon. What the toddler used to say? The toddler used to say it also, yeah, crow only, because the first time they are seeing that one, at the same time they are recalling their images. Crow and pigeon both are having the similarity of appearance, so they had confirmed that it is also a crow. Psychosocial development. Over the psychosocial development, the first one is autonomy versus shame and doubt. Autonomy versus shame and doubt. So here they need the autonomous, they want to perform their activity individually. If any restrictions comes over or any punishment they gets, they automatically falls under the category of negative counterpart, shame and doubt. Why can't I do this one? If I'm doing unnecessarily, I want to get beating, so it's a wrong activity. The next, psychosexual development. Anal stage, the childhood focus of pleasure in the stage is on eliminating and retaining pieces. So gender identity occurs here. So here the toilet training is the main phase where the parents has to teach the child how to control their bowel and bladder movements, offering the child. The next, spiritual development, initiative versus projective faith. Initiative versus projective faith. So here their faith will be reflects on the parents, how the parents are following. They used to project the same. So as I already said, they're the good imitator of the parents. So follows the parents, imitate them. Then toddler intellectual development, sensory motor stage as well as pre-operational stage, emerging ability to think. The sensory motor stage, here their intellectual is resolves around their sense organ and motor activity. The next, pre-operational stage, emerging ability to think. So whatever you say, they will be having emerging ability to think or observe. To think or observe. Next, moral development, pre-conventional morality. Over the pre-conventional morality, if you are seeing, the pre-conventional morality of the individual indicates the reward and punishment. If they get a reward, it indicates that's the right behavior. If they get the punishment, they think that it is a wrong behavior. Then speech or language milestone, 8 to 20 months, they can able to speak out 20 to 30 words. That is 50 percentage understood by strangers. Then 22 to 24 months, two words sentences, like 50 words, 75 percentage understood by strangers. Then 30 to 36 months, almost all speech understood by the strangers. Play stimulation. Over the play stimulation, if you are coming, the toddler commonly used to have solitary and parallel play. Solitary means individually they have to sit and play with their own toys without the involvement of others. Over the parallel play, if you are saying, both the kids will be playing but same game with their own toys, but they both won't never get mingled together. They place parallelly. The next, they can able to throw balls overhead. They can able to identify the difference, and they are fond of listening stories, bedtime stories. Then issues in parenting. Issues in parenting. Stranger anxiety is more common issue present in the toddler age group. Stranger anxiety should disappear by age of 2.5 to 3 years or at the end of toddler age group. Then temper tantrum occur weekly in 50 to 80% of children. Peak incidence 18 months. Most disappear by toddler age group or beginning of preschooler. Sibling rivalry, aggressive behavior towards new infant, peak between 1 to 2 years, but may be prolonged indefinitely. Then thumb sucking and toilet training. So these are the issues for the parenting. For the stranger anxiety, one of the main issue for the child. If they see the strangers, automatically they start to vanish or get fear about the strangers. Then temper tantrum, whenever they need some toys or some any other objects or any other wishes, if the wishes are not fulfilled, automatically the child will be falling under the category or falling into the temper tantrum, where they shows their aggressive behavior towards the parents or to the self. So there is possibility of injury to the self as well as to others. Till they used to cry, roll down, and gets adamant and hitting the hands and legs over the floor. Sibling rivalry, it's more common in the toddler age group because of their place has been given to the new infant, so the toddler can't able to tolerate that one, so the importance has to be given to the toddler. Then another problem is thumb sucking, which is shows that where the child who is lacking of achievement of their proper feeding practice as well as the emotional bonding which was not achieved, where the child falls into the category of thumb sucking. The next, toilet training. Toilet training is one of the important tasks. If not achieved at the toddler age group, the child fails to follow the toilet mannerisms will be present. Importance for nurses. Over the importance for nurses, if you are coming, the one of the big tasks for the nurse is make the parents to understand how to observe and assess that child. Next, to plan for nursing management. Then to better understanding the reason for particular conditions. To teach the parents that help achieve optimal growth and development of the child. So here the nurse has to teach the parents regarding the temper tantrum, how to resolve the temper tantrum. During the temper tantrum episode, what are the signs and symptoms of beginning of temper tantrum? The signs and symptoms has been identified, how to identify. After identifying, divert the child from the concept or from the environment, which makes the cut short of the temper tantrum episode, so which will give a good resemblance or good behavior changes in the child. The next, if you are saying for the toilet training, where the parents has to keep alarm for toilet training during the night time, where they has to keep the alarm for 3 to 4 hours once, and after the alarm is after the alarming, the parents has to wake up the child and take or offer the child or take the child to the toilet room or towards a restroom where the child used to void. So practice this one like a week, where the child automatically have or gain their bowel and bladder control during night time. During the daytime, instruct the toddler as well as offer the toddler the potty or the restroom how to use. So then when the stimulation is present, where the toddler has to be always each and every successful attempt of toileting, the toddler has to be rewarded, provide some appreciation, give some gift to the toddler, where the toddler will learn how to get gain their control of their bowel and bladder movement. Then about the hygiene of the toileting as well as the hygiene of mainly the hand washing and proper washing of their seats. So this also teach to the child properly. This is also one of the important measures. And moving on to the sibling rivalry, involve the toddler in the care providing for the child. So here the attention and the autonomous has to be given to the toddler to fulfill their wishes. Automatically the attention and autonomy is provided for the toddler. The toddler will gain their positive level of behavior as well as attitude, where which help the parents as well as the toddler for a normal growth and development. So this topic is about the toddler. The toddler, different age groups. That is, example, if you're saying 1 to 3 years, so we can able to categorize 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, or we can able to categorize 1 to 2 years and 2 to 3 years. Any form, or you can able to write commonly. So here we are related to physical or biological development, then motor development, then sensory development, then theories. After theories, we saw language development, then play. After play, issues of parenting, and last is important for nurses. Thank you.